Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a dramatic cut crease look. I forgot to film an intro, so that's why you're seeing this picture here. And then also just to let you guys know, I did change the lip color to this purple lip, but I don't show that in the video. So you'll have to let me know which one you like better. Alright, let's get into it. So I'm going to start with this Makeup Geek pigment in Enchanted, I believe it's called. It's kind of this nice like pinky purple color. It is shimmery, but I kind of wanted this look to look a little bit glowy. So I wanted to put this shimmer in my crease, just something a little bit different. If you don't like it, that's okay. I just really wanted to try something a little different. So I'm blending that pretty far up, pretty darn close to my brow bone, and then I'm going to add the color Plum from the Lorac 2 palette, the Lorac Pro 2 palette, which I haven't used in so long. So I'm blending this plum color in. Um, I don't want this color to be super airbrushed, so I'm just kind of buffing it in place. So that's now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm just using concealer for that. I know there's like some kind of trick where you kind of place the concealer on the center of your lid and then look up. I haven't tried that. I think I'm able to get it pretty even by hand anyways, so that's what we're doing here is we're just cutting the crease. And I wanted this to kind of have a halo around it, so I'm going to draw almost like a winged liner, but I'm gonna start the wing just a little bit before the outer corner of my eye. So I'll show you guys in a second what I mean by that. And just excuse the mirror that's getting in the way here. I am blind as a bat, so without my glasses, I need to be like right in the mirror to be able to see what I'm doing, or like right in the camera to see what I'm doing. So until I can afford to buy some contact lenses, this is what we're dealing with. But yeah, you can see right now, or sort of see right now, that I'm drawing the wing on. And once I finish, I'll kind of turn and show you guys what I'm talking about. So now you can see, like, I did a full wing here, and like you can still see the purple kind of borders, even the outside of it, which is kind of what I wanted. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in, and I'm using I think it's one of their glitter sparklers or something from Makeup Geek. It's called Lightyear, and it's really hard for the camera to pick this up, but it kind of has like a pinky purple shift, which is why I used it for this look, because it kind of pulls from the purples in the crease. I wish you guys could see it better, but it is really, really pretty. I like it a lot. And I'm just using a even smaller brush to kind of get in and fill in that wing, so that way it doesn't get too messy. And also, if you guys haven't noticed, I didn't do my face makeup first in this video. That's just because I knew there was going to be a lot of fallout from the pigments I'm using. So now I'm just outlining the borders of the cut crease with the navy shade from the Lorac Pro 2 palette. And then I'm just going to go in with a different pencil brush, a clean one, and I'm just going to kind of buff that into the plum shade. Again, I don't want it to kind of be blown out. I want to kind of blend it in place. So that's why I'm using a pencil brush instead of like a blender brush or something like that. I just wanted something really dense that would kind of move that color around but keep it in place at the same time. So you can see how that's not going super high, just barely below that plum shade. And now I'm just going to use my makeup eraser towel to kind of clean up some of that fallout. And now I'm going in with this Butter London jelly glitter pigment thing. Um, and I'm just using that on my inner corner as well as on my brow bone. So it is kind of glittery and I am putting it on my brow bone. I just really wanted like a lot of drama on this look. So I don't hate how it turned out. It wasn't exactly what I had in mind, but yeah, I mean, I don't hate what it turned out to be. So now I'm using my Cosmetics liner and I'm just gonna draw a wing, and the wing is gonna stay inside the cut crease. I'm not gonna draw the wing outside of the cut crease. So I'm gonna use that line that I already have there to guide me on the wing. And honestly, if you don't like the color combination or the shimmer in the crease, this technique would work with like all mattes. It's still like a decent cut crease. I think it's just, I think the glitter or the shimmer in the crease would probably throw some people off. So now I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and I'm coming back with my face already done. I don't really remember what the details are, the blush and the highlight that I do know the highlight that I used was a Laura Mercier. It was like a pink highlight, and I put a little bit of that on my brow bone too, because it kind of like the color shifted and became more intense with the purples that were already there. So I added a little bit of that to my brow bone and then on my cheekbones, but the blush and the bronzer I don't remember. So now I'm doing my lower lash line, and for that I am just doing the same colors. So I'm starting with the Enchanted pigment from Makeup Geek, and then I'm adding some plum, and then with a really, really fine brush, I'm going to add a little bit of the navy color on the very outer corners of my lower lash line. And now I'm just intensifying that navy. I'm not even really going to blend this out that much. I'm just using the brush I'm using to kind of blend it like slightly. I really just want the intensity from the navy, so that's why I'm just adding a little bit more around the border. And that's the completed eye look. So now I'm going to go ahead and go off camera, or no, I'm going off camera, sorry. And I'm going to apply a lip. And the lip I initially applied, I don't love. It's kind of like a pinkier liquid lipstick from Too Faced. And then I added some of the light year pigment on top from Makeup Geek. And then I added a tiny bit of gloss. I'm not really sure. I think it might be a little bit too pink for what's going on the eyes, which is why I switched it to the purple. So let me know which one you liked better. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.